All right, everybody. I'm a sucker for ads and nice sales. I'm a Harbor Freight fanboy. When it comes to expensive tools that they have, they're just so cheap, such as a welder. I'm always intrigued to see how they actually work. So this past week, because it was the last week in January, for some reason, with Harbor Freight's marketing team, they decided to price us for $100. And I told myself, I wonder if there's any cheaper on Facebook. So I found a gem on Facebook. It was $70. It came with the helmet, and the guy claims he never used it. So here it is. This is a $70 find. It came with this helmet, as well as a few replacements for when I'm burning freaking wire into the night. I need to replace my screen. I haven't plugged it in. We're gonna plug it in together. All right, disclaimer, I am a guy wearing Hey Dudes on a Wednesday night in my garage where an e-scooter is right there. Like, I am not a professional welder. I'm not claiming to be. I'm just a guy that from time to time goes, you know what, it would be nice if I had a welder right now. So here's where we're at. So here's the capabilities on it. It's not for aluminum or stainless steel. And you can do some mods to it. I don't plan on doing any mods. Yeah, everything seems to be set up. The wire is fed through. So I'm just gonna plug it in and see what happens. So we got our wall outlet. Oh. Ooh. All right, nice. That's why that was popped up. Okay, so, all right, so I got it plugged into the wall. I got my ground clamp, which I used a little wire brush on a drill to speed it up, and I just brushed that with the wire brush as well. That's what I'm gonna be welding right here. And wire speed, let's turn her up to a 5, why not? Oh, it turned on. Let's see. Okay, it feeds wire. So when I touch it, the way the welders work, so this should go splat. The Hey Dudes, best welding shoes this side of the Mississippi. So I'm gonna put the helmet on. That way I can see my grandkids someday. And we'll see what happens. Once again, not a professional welder, but if I can do this and make it look pretty or make it look functional, I don't really care about looks. I'm not trying to get a bunch of Instagram followers. This thing's a win. And these things you can find all over the place. Cheap on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, all the time. So let's go ahead and get geared up. Okay, so this helmet is not an auto darkening helmet, which means it's just dark. So I've welded in the past, used a lot nicer setup than this, but we'll see. And this helmet is garbage. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, now it's ready. Okay, let's see if I can do a decent bead. Okay, I think my ground, let's try that now. Okay, bring up the max. Okay, so the original wire that was in there, I threw it over there. I ran it through. It was a tangled mess. This isn't much better, but we'll see if I can try to lay some beads in there. So far, I've just got some split, spot. I'll see what adjustments I can make. Okay, so I'm gonna slap the helmet on. I improved the grounding, so the grounding's a lot more stable. And I got the wire feed all figured out, hopefully. And we're on min at speed 3. So I'm just gonna hold it right here and see if it does its thing. Wow, it's actually burning stuff on there. Okay, I'm gonna do another little bead. I'm gonna do a tack right here and see if I can tack it. Huh. Okay, then I'm gonna do a bead off that. Holy crap. I mean, it's dirty, but it's working. And it was 70 bucks. Look at that. Yeah, she ain't pretty, but 70 bucks. That's a $70 welder right there. Okay, let's look at these welds. Those are pretty hot trash, but you can see right there, I'm starting to get it a little bit. Let me turn it up to max. And see if this changes anything. Huh. That's actually a pretty good little tack. Okay, one more. Oh, close the eyes. Yeah, dude, if you just need to tack stuff, look at that. Look at that. Amazing. 70 bucks. Go pick one up. I have very little welding experience, and this is gonna be able to help me out to just do it. That's half the thing when it comes to these type of hobbies, is just buying it and doing it. So it's a freaking approved for me, man. Like, is that the cleanest? No. Is it the best welds I've ever done? No. Am I a good welder? No. So it doesn't really matter. So hope that this helps you guys out. Hope you can pick one up. Like I said, with helmet and a never before used welder. I was 70 bucks in. I've seen better deals, worse deals, so hope you guys have fun.